I'm sure you like it because we could save your company a lot of money. Also, we could save a lot of time to your team, so a lot of frustrations will be reduced that way. My name is Zvezda Drencheva. I've been in supply chain world over 25 years. I'm currently a member of ASCM Toronto chapter. I also support the events team. I'm just coming back from a conference at ASCM. I met a lot of amazing people, and Laurent is just the end of, for now, of this amazing series of events and supply chain field days. I really love the concept of learning by doing. And what I really appreciated was Laurent's level of detail to explain while we were actually playing. And at the same time, he was very efficient at bringing in concepts that otherwise you have taken us maybe hours to explain. Well, it was very visual, very practical. So DDBrix is amazing. I highly recommend everyone to get exposed to it. It doesn't take a long time, but it will give you the idea whether you like it. And also, I'm sure you like it because we could save your company a lot of money. Also, we could save a lot of time to your team, so a lot of frustrations will be reduced that way. I think that ASCM members should take this type of workshop to get deeper understanding into the concepts of MRP and DDMRP.